I am afraid of public speaking. I don't know how to speak in front of public. The fear of public speaking. Have you had those situations where you wanted to speak in front of few people, but you were like nervous, worried, anxiety, what would people think? If so, congratulations, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how you can overcome the fear of public speaking. You see, one of the topmost fear, apart from fear of death, is the fear of public speaking. And I was no different. I had the same thing. But in this video, I have shared 5 things which I have done in my life, which has helped me reduce the fear of public speaking drastically. And this will help you too. So let's dive into this. Number 1, know yourself. Okay, these are the 5 things that you need to know which will reduce your fear drastically. Number 1, know yourself. You see, you're only afraid, you're only worried of what other people will think about you. They will judge you, they will laugh at you, they will make fun of you. But guess what? If you know yourself, nobody can hamper you and shake your confidence. So know what is your true worth. Know that other people's judgment has no meaning. If you know that you're valuable, that's about it. Okay, now I'm not saying you need to be arrogant, but what I'm saying is be so confident in your abilities and know yourself so much that no matter what other people think, it should not matter to you. That's number 1. Second know-how is know your audience. You see, I have seen so many people, and I made that mistake. When I go for keynote speech, at the beginning when I was going for keynote speech, I will just talk the things that I think is right and at my level. Okay, so my thinking was maybe here and I was talking at my level. Versus my audience, maybe is youngsters in the school and college graduate. My thought process is here and their thought process here. I need to know my audience. Unka level, where are they? And once I go to their level and I need to explain them there. Like for example, how would you talk to a kid? Would you talk to a kid as if you're going to talk to a 30-year-old man? No, right? If the person is 5-year-old to 6-year-old, you will talk to the person in that way. So you cannot talk the child's language to grown-ups and the grown-ups language to the child. So you need to know your audience and what level they are at. What is their desires? What is that they want? What is it that they fear? And customize your speaking or speech accordingly. All right. Number 3, know the stage. Now you must be saying, but Dave, I am not having a stage. How do I know the stage? You see, if you stand in the middle of the road and if 2 people are listening to you, guess what? It is a public speaking. Irrespective of whether 2 people, 20 people, 200 people, you have a stage at the place where you are. So when you're familiar with the surrounding, when you're familiar with the people or the setup, your familiarity breeds confidence. And once you're familiar, your confidence will grow substantially. So know your stage. Number 4, know your purpose. Now you see, we all have born for a reason. Whatever we do, there is a reason behind it. There's a plant, there's the grass, there's the pillars. Everything has been created for a purpose. Why is this pillar built? To have a great structure, to have a great building, to have a design, to have a good visuals. Why? Everything has a purpose. So when you are speaking to the people, you need to know what is your purpose. Why are you speaking? What is the thing that you want them to achieve at the end of the speech? So know what is the purpose of the speech, and more you know what is the purpose, and you're not worried about the small things. Should I say this? Should I say that? Always look for what is the purpose, and whatever you're going to say, is it going to be aligned towards the purpose of the speech or the discussion or the communication? If the answer is yes, congratulations, you have passed the stage 4. Number 5 is know that it is okay to be vulnerable. You see, in our society, we've been told to hide our weaknesses, that always show that you're macho, always show that you're powerful. When you're on stage or you're talking to people, it is okay to be vulnerable. Here's an example. When you go on a stage and you're actually feeling nervous, you say it. You know what, guys, this is my first speech and I'm actually really nervous. So I would love, your support. You see what will happen? The other people say, wow, amazing, I love it. And when you confront and when you open, your vulnerability will go away. Your weakness will go away and people will start supporting you. So it is okay. Know that it is okay to be vulnerable. Nobody is born speaker. Nobody is born amazing. Nobody is born the way they are. Everybody had to grow. And once you start accepting your flaws and the weaknesses and you openly talk about it or share, people will welcome you. That doesn't mean that you should not practice. You should definitely practice. But it is okay to be vulnerable. Now, bonus tip. Smile. Yeah, that's about it. Just smile. Once you smile, the whole world will smile. Okay, so try this next time. When you're on a stage, when you start your speech, you just observe everybody and don't say anything. Look everybody in the eyes, left all the way to right. Or whether you're in a two people conversation, you just look at them when you're beginning to start your point or discussion and you say, just smile. You see, smile can change a lot of people's emotions and smile can be very addictive. Okay, looking at me, are you feeling like smiling? I'm sure. I'm just goofing with you. Just smile. And once you start smiling, other people will send the positive vibration, positive energy. And once you get all the positive energy from the audience, then you have no fear on this, on the stage. Wherever you are, you'll become very, very confident. Okay. So these are the tips. Go ahead, implement it and put it in the chat box. Which one is your favorite? I want to know which one is your favorite and how are you overcoming the fear of public speaking? All right. Thank you so much. This is Dave Gadvi. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure if you want to learn more, find the link below and continue to learn from me. I'm really committed to helping you to become a great communicator, great speaker who is very confident and who is charismatic. All right. Thank you so much. And I will see you until next time. Take care. Bye-bye.